Here's the news of the day. LifeNet of the Heartland celebrated its 10th anniversary in North Platte, highlighting the critical life-saving care it provides in rural Nebraska through rapid air transport for trauma, cardiac, and high-risk patients. Investec Aviation Finance and Rive Private Investment partner to finance 12 helicopters for emergency medical services in France and Spain, improving critical care response. Sikorsky has received FAA certification to extend the life of S-92 helicopter gearboxes using Life Plus technology based on actual aircraft usage data, improving fleet readiness and reducing downtime. Wind Racers provided 2 ultra-autonomous aircraft to Norway's Norse for Antarctic research, supporting environmental surveys around the Troll Research Station. Beta unveiled electric aircraft chargers at 3 Florida airports, with support from FDOT, marking a major step toward advancing electric aviation in the state. Gevo secured $20 million from selling tax credits to fund clean energy projects, including sustainable aviation fuel, boosting its stock price by 30%. Airbus and PT Pertamina have partnered to develop a sustainable aviation fuel ecosystem in Indonesia, focusing on local feedstocks and boosting SAF adoption to reduce aviation's carbon footprint. Nest, Itochu, and GS Caltex have delivered CORSIA-eligible sustainable aviation fuel to Narita Airport, offering ANA and JAL an opportunity to reduce carbon emissions ahead of the 2027 mandate. Air Company raised $69 million in Series B funding, led by Avfoil, to scale its CO2-derived sustainable aviation fuel technology, aiming to drive emissions reductions and meet growing demand. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.